Peace, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano here. Welcome back to the channel. As always, we have another unboxing, so make sure if you're new to the crew, subscribe and get notified and join the crew for more videos just like this. But today we're going to be talking about the COUMI, I think I'm saying that right, ANC-860 headphones. Now these offer something called environmental noise cancellation as well as active noise cancellation, and they have the IPX waterproof as well as transparency mode as well. So these are some really good earbuds that we're going to go ahead and check out as far as specs, but we're going to go ahead and test all the features out. These are going to offer 5.5 hours play time. So if that sounds like something that interests you, let's go ahead and take a look at all the features on these earbuds, and we're going to check them out right now, and I'll see you guys right after this. Okay guys, so we do have the box right here. As you can see, it says the COUMI ANC-860 hybrid active noise cancellation. You get all your different features here: the IPX7 waterproof, the transparency mode, the hybrid active noise cancellation, and the environmental cancellation as well. On the side it does say hybrid noise cancellation earbuds. On the back, active noise cancellation mode, transparency mode, environmental noise cancellation mode. You get about a 5.5 hours with battery, but you can see with the ANC on or off, it's just going to determine how much you're going to get with the case included. With smart voice assistant, single double mode, which means you could use one by itself. You get the charging port, which is type C, which is really going to be good. The only thing I don't see is that these aren't wireless charging box, and see what these have to offer. So you can see you do get your support. You get your manual user guide as well. So, and you do get that type C cord right there. You could get a wall brick. These are like these hybrid earbud tips. So you get 2, 4, 6 distinguished cord that you can loop onto your jeans or something like that. And then you get the nice covering right here with the logo right there, COUMI or COUMI. I'm not even sure how that's pronounced, but the battery case does give you right here, you can see it's for the battery, it's giving you all the specs. Let's pop this open and check out what the earbuds look like. See that the back has the type C right there. I like the snap on these. It's not too aggressive, but it's not too crazy. They also hold themselves open, which is really good. Let's take a look at one of the earbuds. You can see they put the touch button right there. And then when you take the tape off, it's going to be active when you put it back into the charger. So you can see this is the way the earbud is shaped. They got their own unique design of ear tip. So if you don't like the ear tip that comes on it, you can actually put your own ear tip on it. But we're going to be testing out all the different modes on these as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also the mics as well, and see if there's any latency on the playback for gaming or video. This is pretty much what you have to do. Take them out the case, and then you can hit that reset button, and now you see the COUMI or the COUMI ANC-860s. Now you're going to see that these will turn red. Let me know how the mics sound on the COUMI hybrid active noise cancellation ANC earbuds right now, because I'm using the microphones directly from the earbuds, and overall when it came to the fit in the ear, it was pretty comfortable. I did like that you had over 10 different earbuds to choose from. So if you found your ear getting irritated from the way that the earbud felt, you can actually find a smaller one. And they have over 10, like I said, to choose from. So it was just really good that you have that option to choose from so many different earbuds. So you're definitely going to get a comfortable fit no matter what. The touch controls were a one tap for the volume on both earbuds, left and right. So that was actually really easy, because all you have to do was tap once on left or right, and you did get the option to raise or lower the volume, which was really convenient. And I didn't run into any issues whatsoever with that option either. So I could definitely say that was pretty cool. Now they did have an option to get to your voice assistant, which is really convenient if you wanted to actually ask your Google Assistant something, it would also have the ability to do so directly from the earbuds. So you were pretty much getting all the functions when it came to the touch controls, volume, answer, hang up as well. You get a working time of about 5.5 hours with ANC on, and with it off 7.5 hours. So that's actually pretty decent. Also, the charging time is only 1.5 hours with these earbuds, which is definitely pretty cool. It's made of a polycarbonate plastic, which is actually pretty substantial. It doesn't feel cheap, and it's also a really quality material when you're holding them. I didn't feel like they were gonna fall out of my hand. They were definitely had a decent weight to them, so there wasn't any issues when it came to the weight or finding the touch controls when I was trying to tap it while walking. Everything was pretty much straightforward, and I was able to change the ANC or the volume, or pretty much adjust the songs, change them as well. Also, the case was just really compact, easy to use. It was a one-handed case, meaning you could pretty much use it with one hand. Also, the earbuds were snug in the case and would never fall out because the magnets were so strong. But when you actually put the earbuds inside of the case, it was just a really stealth look, and also it didn't feel like there was any bulk in my pocket when I was actually carrying them. You could use one earbud at a single time, left or right independently, which I did think was a really cool feature that COUMI did offer. So I definitely would say that was pretty cool. So it was really easy to put them in my ear. Over time of wearing them for about 2 hours straight, I didn't really notice any ear fatigue or anything like that, because you could definitely find the right earbud for your own personal preference. Okay guys, so right now there is going to be some city noise in the background. Can you hear it? I got my speaker up to 20 out of 30. I'll turn it to 25 so you can hear me better. Alright, so now let me know if you can actually hear me over this background noise. I have my volume cranked all the way up in my room on my speakers, so this is the outdoor noise that you're hearing. Now I'm going to turn it all the way back down, and let me know if that makes any difference. Okay, so now it's all the way down, and then I'm going to turn it all the way back up. So let me know if you can hear me with these microphones from the COUMI ANC-860, the ANC-860s. But this is the outdoor ambience. Let me know if the microphones are good in this type of environment. Alright guys, so I'm really liking these COUMI ANC 860 noise cancellation mic earbuds. These are like probably have the most features that I've ever seen. You get ANC, transparency mode, normal mode, volume controls. You could switch the songs with the earbuds as well. Answer calls, hang up calls, just a whole ton of features. And they're offering a ton of different earbuds. So if the ones that are on here don't fit, you know, you'll be good. But out of a 10 for fit, I would give these probably like an 8.5. As far as overall sound, I give these like a 9 or a 10, like 9.5. And as far as overall quality, I would give these like a 8.5 to 9. So these are really good earbuds for the price, guys. These might be my main favorite earbuds. But let me know how the microphones sound, because that's what we're recording from now. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and get notified. Join the crew, check out more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll check you in the next video. Peace.